Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Spotify app crashing. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, close Spotify completely and remove it from recent apps to stop any stuck process. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary glitches causing the crash. Check your internet connection by opening a website or another app that uses the network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test if the crash is network-related. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off to reset the connection. Open Spotify and sign out of your account if the app stays open long enough. Sign back in to refresh your session and reload account data. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Spotify, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that can break the app. If it still crashes, tap Clear Data to reset the app to a clean state. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll to Spotify, and enable and disable background app refresh. Also on iPhone, make sure cellular data for Spotify is turned on if you use mobile internet. Update Spotify from Google Play Store or App Store to get the latest bug fixes. Update your device operating system because older versions can cause app instability. Check your storage space and free at least 1 to 2 gigabytes so Spotify can write cache files safely. Disable any VPN or ad blocker temporarily because they can interrupt Spotify services. If you use a VPN for your network, change the server region and try again. Open Spotify settings and turn off data saver to reduce playback and loading issues. Turn off offline mode if it is enabled and you are not actively using downloads. Remove any downloaded content and re-download later if downloads are corrupted. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Spotify, then Permissions. Allow storage and network-related permissions to prevent startup crashes. On Windows, open Task Manager and end all Spotify processes before reopening. On Mac, force quit Spotify and restart it from applications instead of the dock. If the crash continues, uninstall Spotify completely from your device. Restart the device again after uninstalling to clear leftover components. Install Spotify again from the official store and log in to test stability. If it still crashes, try using Spotify Web Player to confirm your account works while troubleshooting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.